Hello, my dear students. This is your Surbi ma'am, and today again I am here to teach you one of the most interesting chapter of grammar, which is comparison of adjectives. But first of all, subscribe to our channel, like and share the videos, and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start. Comparison of adjectives. Firstly, see what is an adjective. Words that describe a noun or a pronoun means the words which tells us more about a noun or a pronoun are known as adjective. For example, my brother is short. So here what is the noun? Brother. Brother is the noun and the word short is the adjective because it is telling more about the noun. In the similar way, the second sentence, the woman is old. Here the noun is woman and old is the adjective. Okay. Let's come to the main part of this topic. Degree of comparison. There are three types of degrees. Okay. Remember this. There are three types of degrees. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now one by one we will discuss about all the three. First degree is positive degree and this is the very simple one. Here we are not doing any comparison. There is no comparison. For example, the sketch is long. Second sentence, the sonam is tall. So here as you can see in these sentences, how many nouns are given in a sentence? In every sentence we are having only one noun. Sketch is the noun and here the adjective is long. Okay, second sentence is sonam is tall. So here sonam is the noun and tall is the adjective. Okay, long and tall are describing about the noun. So in positive degree we are not doing any type of comparison. Understood? Good. Now next comes the comparative degree. Now what happens in comparative degree? We are doing the comparison between two people or thing. Okay, always remember in comparative degree we are doing the comparison between two people or thing and it is followed with the word than. Okay, it is always followed with the word than. For example, the marker is longer than the sketch. So here what is the noun? In this sentence, marker is longer than the sketch. So here we are having two nouns, marker and sketch. Okay, and here the adjective is longer. So and as you can see that after adjective we have used the word than. This shows that there is the comparison between two things. Next sentence is Rashi is taller than Sonam. So here Rashi and Sonam are the nouns and what is the adjective? Taller. Taller is the adjective and adjective is followed with the word than. So this shows that there is a comparative degree in this sentence. Okay. Now last comes the superlative degree. Now anyone can guess that what will be there in superlative degree? In positive we were having no comparison. In comparative we are doing the comparison between two things. Now what will be there in superlative degree? In here we are doing the comparison between more than two people or things. Means it can be 3 also, it can be 4 also, it can be 100 also. Okay. And the second thing is always before the superlative degree we are using the article the. In comparative degree we were using than which was after the adjective. But in superlative degree we are using the article before the adjective. For example, the ruler is the longest among the three. Okay, so here noun is the ruler. Okay, and as you can see at the last of the sentence I have mentioned here 3. So we are doing the comparison between three things. So here we have used the adjective longest. Okay, and we have used the article the also. In the similar way, second sentence is Ria is the tallest of all. So here Ria is the noun and we are here it is mentioned all. So it can be 3 also, it can be 10 also. Okay, and tallest is the adjective and we have also used the before it. Have you all understood? Ruler is the longest amongst the three. Riya is the tallest of all. Okay. Now, see here I have given some rules that if any positive degree is given, then how can you change it into comparative and superlative? Now I will tell you with the help of this example. Suppose I have given you a word here, high. Now, how will you change this word into comparative degree? It is very simple. For changing it, we have to add er to the adjective. Now what will become? It will become higher. So higher will be the comparative degree. And now if we have to change it into superlative degree, then we will add here est at the last. So high will become highest. Okay. Now another thing, suppose I am giving you a word famous. Now can we use here er and est at the last of this word? No. Now in this case, how will we change this word into comparative degree? We will add here more, but before the word it will become more famous, and in superlative degree we will add here most. Okay, so it will become most famous. How many of you have understood? Some are confused. Now let me explain you with this example. See, here I have made a small table, and here I have given the comparative and the superlative of these words. Thick, thicker, thickest. Busy, busier, busiest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fat, fatter, fattest. And the last one is beautiful. Now can we add here er and est at the last of beautiful? No. So we have to add here more beautiful and most beautiful. Okay. Now you have understood? Good. Now here we have some exceptions. That, what do you mean by exceptions? That we cannot even add er, est at the last, or nor we can add more and most before the word. Now in that case, what we can do? What will be the comparative degree of bad? Worse. And superlative degree will be worst. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. And old will become older, oldest, or it can also become elder, eldest. Have you understood? You have to learn this chart. Okay, you have to learn this table. Now here I have given one activity. Now let me check that how much you have understood. As you can see in this table is incomplete. Okay, some words are given and some words are missing. So you have to find out the comparative degree, superlative degree and the positive degrees of these words. So one by one we will discuss. First word is easy. Now what will be the comparative degree of easy? Superlative degree is given. It is easiest. So comparative degree will be easier. Okay, we will remove y and we will write here IER. Okay, when we remove y, then we will add I. Next word is bright, brighter, and the superlative degree will be brightest. Very good. We will add EST at the last. Now here positive degree is not given, only comparative degree is given. Okay, thinner. Now what will be the positive degree of thinner? We will remove ER from the last and it will become thin. Now simple, thin, thinner, and superlative degree will be thinnest. Okay, we will add EST at the last. Now fourth one, positive degree is also not given, comparative is also not given, but superlative degree is longest. Now very simple one, what will be the positive degree of longest? We will remove EST. So it will become long. Now comparative degree will be longer. Very simple. We will add here ER. Next is delicious. and the superlative degree of delicious is most delicious. Now you have got the clue that what will be the comparative degree. We have used here most, so the comparative degree will be more delicious. Are you getting it? And the last one, far, farther, and the superlative degree will be farthest. Okay, we will add at the last est. So how many of you have understood this? You have to practice it a lot, then you will understand it more better. Thank you.